Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should start by turning the Ps4 fully off from the quick menu. Do not leave it in rest mode because safe mode requires a powered off state. Once the system is off, wait about 30 seconds so capacitors discharge, and then prepare a USB cable. Make sure your dual shock is unplugged and ready to connect. Make sure your TV is set to the Ps4 HDMI input, and if relevant, note your PlayStation Network credentials. These steps reduce interruptions when you enter safe mode. Press and hold the Ps4 power button for 7 to 8 seconds until you hear the second beep. That second tone signals the console is booting into safe mode. Once you see the safe mode screen, immediately plug the DualShock into a USB port and press the PS button to establish the connection. Wireless pairing won't work here. From the menu, you'll choose options like Restart System or Rebuild Database, depending on whether you need a simple reboot or deeper file system repair. After you select the appropriate safe mode option, follow on-screen prompts. Rebuild Database is a good first choice when the system is slow or games crash, because it reorganizes files without deleting user data. If problems persist, initialize Ps4 reinstalls system software, but erases data, so make sure backups exist before choosing it. If the console fails to enter safe mode, power cycle by unplugging for a minute and reattempt. And make sure HDMI and power connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.